So this is a presentation for can you see my slides? So it's not playing. Anyway, you have seen this people of non-compaction cardiomyopathy. Look, can you see the slides?
Yes, sir.
Look, this is what the non-compaction is. This is a compacted segment and non-compacted segment. So if you take this compacted segment, this is only the compacted segment is this one. And this is whole is non-compacted part. And if you switch on the colors will get into these trabeculations. You can see the colors into the trabeculations.
Yes, yes, sir.
And with 3 dimensions echocardiography, we can bring out 9 slices. Look, these are the segment from apex to basis. Here the apex is all non-compacted and this is compacted basis. So it's predominantly an apical cardiomyopathy and I'll just come down to exact wordings. How do you say that is compacted versus non-compacted? Look, this is a pictorial diagram. If you look at this segment over here in cross section, in short axis view, this is a compacted part and this is non-compacted part. Is it clear? The ratio of this non-compaction versus compaction is more than 2:1. And this is present by birth because majority of dilated cardiomyopathy will appear as non-compacted cardiomyopathy, non-compactions, but they become reversible. And this is a picture of a patient where the echo was done over a period of 3 years, where this compaction did not disappear at all. This is non-compacted segment, basal segments are relatively preserved. Apical lateral is very well involved in non-compactions. This is what pathology is. All pathological anatomic examination confirm that localization of non-compacted myocardium corresponding to echocardiographic features. And these people, they do not have any reversal. This is the most important take-home messages. The predominant localization of pathology was mid-lateral. And color Doppler, evidence of deep perfused intertrabecular recess. So these are the segment localization. Look, number of patients and majority of these patients, they have a lateral, mid-lateral wall, apex, mid-inferior. Basal is very few, mid-anterior. So basal lateral wall is involved, but look at the whole involvement of inferior, anterior, lateral walls. And basal segments are relatively less involved as compared to anterior segments. Then important part is histology. And if you look at the histology, these recesses were covered with ventricular endocardium in continuity with the left ventricular cavity. Ischemic lesion can also be found in this thickened endocardium. So non-compaction can have ischemic lesion also. Similarly, interstitial fibrosis can also be found. Endocardial thickening of left ventricular outflow tract was present in one of the cases. Chronic inflammation was present in one patient. Abnormality of intramyocardial blood flow were found in 2 patients. So it's one of the study where some multiple presentations were present in histology. And how do they look in histology? This is compacted, like all segments are compressed to one. And this is the non-compacted part of a non-compaction LV. So this is how we look at these cases